Welcome to News Pulse, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting sports updates. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and stay updated with all the action from the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. India has made a powerful statement in their opening match of the tournament, securing a dominant victory against Bangladesh in Dubai. The men in blue started strong, with their bowlers setting the tone early. Bangladesh won the toss and decided to bat first, but things didn't go as planned. Mohammed Shami wasted no time in making an impact, striking early and dismantling Bangladesh's top order. Nitish Rana added to the trouble, putting the batting side under immense pressure. Despite a shaky start, Tawheed Hridoy and Jakar Ali fought hard to stabilize the innings, building a much-needed partnership. But India's disciplined bowling attack never allowed them to gain momentum. The wickets kept tumbling and Bangladesh was restricted to a below-par total, leaving their bowlers with a tough task ahead. Chasing a modest target, India came out with confidence. Shubman Gill, known for his classy strokes, took charge right from the start. He played some breathtaking shots, keeping the scoreboard ticking and ensuring there were no early hiccups. The Bangladesh bowlers tried to make a comeback, but India's top order remained rock solid. And just when it seemed like Bangladesh might get a breakthrough, Axar Patel turned the game completely in India's favor. His sensational spell saw him on the verge of a hat-trick, leaving Bangladesh with no answers. With this commanding win, India has kicked off their Champions Trophy campaign in style. The team looks well-balanced, and their intent is clear. They are here to dominate. Can Team India carry this momentum forward and lift the trophy? We'll be bringing you all the latest updates, match analysis, and expert opinions right here on News Pulse. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the game. See you in the next update.